Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the email account tied to Aliexpress and searching for Aliexpress or the exact sender address. Once found, scan inbox, promotions, and spam so you know what types of messages arrive. Make a quick decision: unsubscribe, block the sender, or create a filter. This early choice saves time later because each path requires different clicks, so you'll act precisely instead of guessing. Ready. Move to the unsubscribe link, or your mail client's block/filter tools now. You should first try the unsubscribe link inside a recent promotional email. It stops most marketing messages quickly. If there's no working link or you prefer control, open your mail settings and create a filter. Set the sender address and keywords like AliExpress or orders to match. Then choose Actions, Delete, Archive, or Send to a folder. Once done, apply the filter to existing messages so your inbox clears immediately, and future mails are handled automatically. Finally, block the sender address in your mail client if unsubscribe didn't stop the messages. Blocking prevents delivery at the account level. Make sure to confirm by researching your inbox and allowing 48 to 72 hours for filters and blocks to propagate. If messages continue, log into AliExpress, remove email marketing permissions from your account settings, and check any connected emails. Troubleshooting tip: clear your browser cookies and repeat unsubscribe or change the password.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.